What's going on, guys? I'm Miles, back with Champs Detailing, showing you guys an insane restoration we just completed on this Fusion RV. This Fusion fifth wheel toy hauler came in really rough shape. The customer already removed the decals for us, so we didn't have to do that. But we did have to polish out all the old decal lines. We did the full gel coat restoration, and the coolest part of it was this cool pillow he brought us to make the design with. We used our designer, my designs, to help us with this project. This one took around 2 weeks to complete. Over 100 man hours was done to get this looking like brand new again. Full customization. We didn't follow the old decal patterns. We customized to cover up the imperfections that were where the gel coat areas were damaged. We had to do a lot of gel coat filling to customize this one, but the end results were amazing as usual. As you can see, a lot of pinholes. You can either do the repaint on these areas, or we can do a full custom decal design over top, which is a lot cheaper and looks just as good, if not better. This is the horse decal up close. As you can see, it's an extremely high-end printed finish. We're using premium 3M vinyl for the installation of all decals, which means these decals are going to last. These decals are not going to turn out looking like not great in a couple years. They're going to stay looking amazing, and that's the big benefit of choosing Champs Detailing. We're not using old decal kits made by the dealerships, which are prone to oxidizing, prone to discoloration over time. We use only premium vinyl. We custom print over top, and then these ones are also laminated over top, so they have that extra protection that's needed to keep them in great shape. We're installing right over the speaker for this giant decal. This decal was about 12 feet long by 54 inches tall. It was insane, and this is the final results. Just turned out looking absolutely fantastic as usual. All imperfections completely removed. 95% oxidation removal is a guarantee, and the decals speak for themselves. They turn out looking fantastic. This one had 4 big giant decals, one on each side of the RV, with the Fusion horses custom design. This side had slightly less decals than the other side due to the fact that the other side had a lot of gel coat imperfections on it, but we were able to get them all patched up, get them all repaired, so that now the customer can enjoy his beautiful RV this summer, knowing he has the nicest RV driving down the road. Look at that front cap, just looks absolutely mint. Come in today to get your RV looking the same.